To sign out of your Fortnite account on the PS5 Slim, first of all, you'll have to press on this option button on your controller, on this one. Now you have to go into the bottom and select the settings, go to the right side and open the settings. From here, go to the left one button, use left one button to go for your account and privacy. From here, go to the right side, select logout, and now confirm. And as you can see, after a few seconds, there's information that we successfully logged out of the account. But when I click on the square, I will be able to log in back. So it means that we are not fully log out of this account, because there's no way to add a second account now, right? So all you have to do, and there's actually the only way, you have to close your game like this, and you have to just basically uninstall this game from here, delete. And after that, you just have to simply download it one more time. And when you will perform the first setup of this game, you will be able to add your new Fortnite, new Epic Games account. And there's no any other way to do this. You can only uninstall the game. That's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.